Hey guys, Dom here from Clutch Auto. And here are 5 things you need to learn bago ka magpa-ceramic ng motor mo or ng kotse mo. So tara, alamin natin yun.
Isa sa mga pinakasikat na pagpapaganda ng sasakyan dito sa Pilipinas ang ceramic coating. And it's all for good reason. Magmumukhang bago ang sasakyan, magkakaroon ng added protection ang pintura at higit sa lahat, pinapapogi nito ang sasakyan natin dahil sa kakaibang kintab na binibigay nito. And without any further delay, here's the first thing you need to know about ceramic coating. When your car does not have ceramic coating, it becomes exposed to acid rain, stones being thrown by your neighbor's kids outside when they're playing, tae ng ibon na lumilipad na parang tinatarget pa yung sasakyan mo, scratches na dulot ng mga taong gumagasgas sa gilid ng kotse mo pag dumadaan, mga microswirls na nadudulot kapag pinupunasan ng sasakyan kapag hinuhugasan at hindi microfiber ang ginagamit. And last but not the least, mga asphalt, basang pintura, alikabok, at dagta ng mga puno na parang napakahirap tanggalin. Ceramic coating is usually made of liquid polymer, silica, titanium dioxide, and ceramic nanoparticles. When applied to your car or motorcycle, nagkakaroon to ng matigas at transparent na layer na nagbibigay karagdagang proteksyon laban sa environmental contaminants. UV rays, gasgas at pinapakintab pa nito ang pintura ng sasakyan. Nagbibigay rin to ng mga hydrophobic effect na nagre-repel ng tubig na nagpapadali sa paglinis ng sasakyan. The first thing you need to know is, hindi solusyon ang ceramic coating sa pagtatanggal ng gasgas lalo na paggaling sa aksidente, semplang, or pagkakasabit ng sasakyan. And in those cases, kailangan muna nating i-paint correct or in worst cases, i-repaint ang panel or buong sasakyan para makinis ito bago i-ceramic coating. In the case of this Vespa S125, dumaan muna ito sa pagre-repaint bago umpisahan ang ceramic coating process. But let's assume that your car or motorcycle does not have any scratches or dents. The first process of ceramic coating would be the premium wash. Washing your car or your motorcycle before detailing and ceramic coating is probably one of the most important steps in the whole process. Sinisigurado ng premium wash na walang dirt or excessive contaminants sa sasakyan. Iniiwasan natin magkaroon ng mga maliliit na dumi or bato na sasama sa next step, which is the paint correction. Kasama sa premium wash ang pag-spray ng iron remover or degreaser bago i-apply ang foam na soap. Habang sinasabon, sinisiguradong mapunasan ang mga remaining contaminants na hindi natangay ng pressure washer. After a detailed soaping process, kailangan ulit nitong banlawan ng pressure washer to ensure na walang matitirang sabon na pwedeng may bitbit na dumi. To prepare for the next process, tinutuyo ang buong sasakyan using a clean microfiber towel and a blow dryer to make sure na tuyo ang lahat ng surface. The next step is paint correction, and this is probably one of the longest steps it would take during the ceramic coating. Dito natatanggal ang natitirang contaminants, swirl marks, watermarks at iba pang magiging halatang light scratches bago i-apply ang ceramic coating. Sa paint correction and detailing na talaga lalabas ang tunay na kintab na manggagaling sa ceramic coating process. And finally, applying the ceramic coating. By this time, there should be little to no scratches sa paint dahil mahahalata pa rin ito kahit na may ceramic coating na ang sasakyan mo. Curing time is also important to ensure that the ceramic coating has bonded with the paint para ma-activate ang protective properties na inintend ng ceramic coating. Ngayon, the third thing you need to know about ceramic coating is gaano katagal gawin ang buong process ng ceramic coating. Ang simple answer is, it really depends on the condition of your unit. Kahit bago ang sasakyan mo, possible pa rin na marami itong gasgas na pwedeng magpatagal ng paint correction process. However, it can take to as little as 5 to 6 hours and as long as 2 to 3 days depending on the condition of the unit. Kung kailangan mag-repaint or mag-touch up or kung may other services ka pang i-avail tulad ng interior detailing or engine detailing. Fourth thing you need to know at ang pinakamadugong tanong about ceramic coating is, magkano? Lahat ng detailing shops ay may kanya-kanyang standard pricing na sinusundan based sa quality and brand ng ceramic coating na ina-apply sa sasakyan. and other labor costs na kailangan para i-process ang pag-ceramic coating. As a client, of course, pipiliin natin yung may magandang reviews or sample units at higit sa lahat, yung pasok sa budget natin. And finally, the fifth and final item that you need to know about ceramic coating is what do we need to do after maceramic ang sasakyan natin. And the most common misconception is hindi na kailangan hugasan ng sasakyan kapag na-ceramic na. And this is absolutely wrong. Kailangan pa rin natin alagaan ang sasakyan sa pamamagitan ng regular car wash and the occasional coating maintenance with our detailers. Katulad rin yan ng makina mo. For your car and for your motorcycle to keep running, you need gas and other regular maintenance. Ganon din ang ceramic coating. If you want to maintain the shine and protection, you also need to regularly take care of your coating. If you want to know more about ceramic coating maintenance, ask your detailer for more information.
So there you have it, guys. These are 5 reasons na dapat malaman natin bago magpa-ceramic coating ng motor or sasakyan. And if you are interested, you can go to our Facebook page, Clutch Auto Spa. And you can also subscribe and share our videos kung may natutunan kayo. And kung meron kayong pang gustong malaman, share it in the comments and we'll do our best to create more content like this for you. And once again, this is Dom from Clutch Auto, and keep clutching.